This is Priyanka from IELTSmaster.com, and you have been a part of the IELTS Master family, and you have recently achieved your target scores. So, can you give us a little introduction about yourself and tell us about the course you were a part of?
So I have enrolled for 14 days academics on 28th of September 2020. Okay, and I enrolled for 14 days academic course, and I am also working with Byju's as a business development associate, and my job is very hectic. And I'll thank IELTS master team to help me out. Like I get a lot of online classes from you, and apart from this, they also help me to do a lot of practice. Like in the last days of my IELTS exam, I gave near about 2 tests every day for speaking, and this helped me a lot to get 7.5 bands in speaking.
That's great. So, I would really like to ask you, how did the course structure of the entire platform help you? Do you have anything to say about the platform in specific?
Yes, the platform is very good designed by IELTS Master. Like you can get online classes from anywhere. Like there are many YouTube channels also where you can get online classes as well as you can purchase a book. Uh, what I feel like IELTS Master is different from any other organization or any other coaching institute. Like people here are very humble and they will assist you, and especially for working professional who are working. So IELTS Master provide a flexibility. Like my office timing is from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, but IELTS Master is providing batch options from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So I can easily manage timing along with my job. So first of all, thing what differentiate IELTS Master from another is that it provides you flexibility of class timing. You can attend class timing but at whatever time you want. Apart from this, they are very helpful. Like I requested them many things to for my preparation. They also helped me with that, and they are very humble. Even on Sunday, like everyone is having their week off. On that day also, they are assisting me, and they never ask me like you enrolled for only 14 days, and why are you giving of speaking test after 14 days. So like there is no any kind of foundation. Instead of bothering you, they are helping you out. Like as I told you now, on 28th of September I enrolled at IELTS Master. So on 13th of November my course was expired, but I was having my test on 24th of October. So I gave test of speaking and all the mock test up to 23rd of October. So they'll never ask me like your course is expired. Why are you giving test? Why should we assist you? Yeah, they opened portal for me as well. Like there is a timeline in portal. After 14 days, the timeline will get expired. But for me, they opened the platform as well to practice as much as possible. So yeah, they helped me a lot.
We all know that because of the COVID-19 situation, everybody is really worried about their health and, taking appropriate measures. So, what precautions did you take, and what were the measures that were taken by the administration of the British Council or IDP?
Okay. So I gave my test at British Council at Gurgaon Center. So yes, they are taking care of everything. Like they are ask you to fill a form where they will clearly mention that if in 14 days if any of candidate will found corona positive, then we might contact you. So they will ask you to fill a form, and they will take care of like social distancing as well. So seats were like near about 4 to 5 feet apart from each other, so there is a proper gap also. So yeah, there is a good provision for COVID-19. And in speaking, like you and the examiner are near about 4 feet apart from each other, and they will not allow you to touch the cue card, which is they provide in second round of speaking. They not allow you to touch the cue card. You only can read, and they will provide you a sheet, and you can make a note on your sheet. And after the test, you have to throw this sheet into a trash. So yeah, there is a good provision for COVID-19 by the British Council.
Um, okay, I think that would be all. Thank you, Sahil, so much for sharing your experience with our portal and sharing your overall experience. I would like to wish you the best for your future.
Thanks a
And
lot.
yeah, thank you so much,
And
Sahil.
for to get PR in Canada, I again have to give this IELTS test for general training, and then at that time also I will definitely join IELTS Master. I hope I will get
Thank you so
a
much. That is really great.
benefit.
Okay. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you so much. All the
Thanks a lot,
best.
Priyanka.
Bye bye.